I've got a little measuring cup right here. I'm gonna add some half and half. Probably about 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And then I've got some pumpkin pie spice seasoning. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you could use some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some ginger if you wanted to. But we're gonna do about a teaspoon of that seasoning. We're just gonna put that right in there. Pumpkin puree here. And we're not gonna need too much of this. Let me go get a spoon. So got this. I'm gonna add a good heaping of that. You can add more, less. Depends on how much like pumpkin kind of seasoning you like there. Then we're just gonna go ahead and mix all this up. Okay, kind of get that all mixed in. See how I'm doing that? I'm just using one of these little frothers. They work so good at mixing everything. And then I have some maple syrup. Now, if you don't have maple syrup, you could always use some brown sugar. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of this. Whoops, maybe a little too much there. That's okay. We're gonna go ahead and mix that together, okay? Get everything incorporated. This is easy, y'all, okay? We're not making this hard. Easy pumpkin coffee recipe. It's gonna be better than Starbucks, y'all, okay? You're not gonna have to pay those Starbucks prices either. Because I'm telling you, I don't know about you, but I can't afford those. $4 or $5 a cup of coffee. Man, what if you got like 2 or 3 people that want it in your family? Man, you could go out to eat for that. Okay, so we got a cup here. Use any cup you want. I don't care. I got some ice here. Man, I gotta break it up because it's just kind of been sitting there for a little bit. We're gonna add some ice. It's not gonna work. Okay, I've got some crushed ice here. We're just gonna add that into our cup. I've got my creamy mixture here. We're gonna set that to the side. Now, I've already brewed some coffee, so just whatever coffee you like. And we're just gonna add that in. You can do as much as you want. I'm gonna do about like half and half, and then we're gonna take that cream recipe, we're gonna add that right on top. Oh man, okay. We got a little extra there. Now we're gonna add a little more of our coffee. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that cream. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. Look at that, woo! Now we're not done yet, hang on. Now you're gonna take some whipped cream. You could make your own whipped cream if you wanted to, but I'm going like this. All right, make sure you shake it up. It won't be good unless you shake it, okay? We're gonna add a little cream on top. Okay. Oh, I did so good, look at that. Oh yes, Mindy, did you like that? She heard the whipped cream, my little kitty. She loves whipped cream. Okay, now I've got some sprinkles. So open these up and we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. These are like some gold sprinkles. Look how pretty this looks. Let me show y'all. Look at those sprinkles. And then all you gotta do is add your straw right in there. Look at that. Okay, let's taste this. Okay guys, let's taste this Copycat Starbucks pumpkin iced coffee. I am so excited about this. That is so delicious. And you can really taste the pumpkin, all those seasonings that we put in there. And it's nice, ice and cold. I bet you could even have this coffee hot. You could use that cream as like a creamer, like make a bulk of it and then have it throughout the week. And oh, it's so good. All right guys, check out this recipe right here.